So many a times you have purchased your new Android mobile phone and after few days you find that it has slowed down and it takes a lot of time to actually open Chrome and different other browsers. Now if that's the case, I have a solution for you, a trick that will really help you to help boost up the speed of your phone, because sometimes antiviruses might also not help you boost your speed the way I'll actually tell you. So in case you like my video, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and give me comments and let me know if it actually worked for you. So this is Sonit from Techie Trickle. So the first thing that you need to do is, on your Android phone you will have the Chrome icon, right? So on the Chrome icon, what you do is you press hard on that till the app info pops up. Now when the app info pops up, you just click on app info and then you would see a series of different menu options actually show up. Now you would see here there is an option called storage. So if you click on storage, what happens is it gives you the amount of data that is being used, called the user data, and also the cache and the app size. And if you actually calculate that, it's a huge amount. So what I do is I click on clear data and then you would see another two options actually come up. So it will ask you to clear your cache, or you want to go further advanced. So I would click on manage space and I'll show you something which is very interesting. So once I do that, just see on my screen what actually it shows up. It says that the stored data that Chrome doesn't think is important, and it's the unimportant data that is 14.88 GB on my phone. And this phone I actually purchased just few months back, and you can see how much of data it actually holds up. And then you would see in the site storage, where it includes the cookies and everything, it says another 14.88 GB. So you can manage the second part, but for the first thing you can definitely go ahead and click on free up space, and it will actually help you to free up that much amount of space. In the last option, you would see that it says the total data used by Chrome, including accounts, bookmarks and saved settings. So those are the data that you might not want to delete, but that's your personal choice whether you want to delete or not. But these are the options that you can see. So if you click on free up space for the unimportant data, it actually gives you a pop-up where it asks whether you actually want to delete the data or not. So if I click on OK, it will take some time to compute the amount of free space it can actually give you, and then it will show up on the screen amount of space it has actually been able to retrieve for you. So I am done doing that, computing this, and you can see that the unimportant data, it shows as 0B right now. So it's all clear, and I only have 1.19 MB for my site storage, and that actually shows you amount of data that Chrome can actually hold up and make your mobile phone slow. So in case you liked my video, please do not forget to give me a like, because YouTube algorithm actually likes when you give a like and a thumbs up. And there are two videos that are popping up right now on your screen. Please make sure that you watch them till the end, and comment below and let me know if it actually boosted your speed by a little bit or not. So let us discuss in the comments and figure out the next solutions as well. So till the next time, bye bye.